Welcome to the informative XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and I'll show you how to edit notification button shortcuts on this device. So now just here we can see all visible icons on our top bar. Now just to add or remove some icons from here or just to change their positions, we have to click here on this edit icon, and you can see here there's 5 invisible icons, so we can add these icons to our top bar just by click here on these pluses on the right upper corner by this way. And to remove them, just by the same way, we should just click here on this minuses on the right upper corner of each of the icon. And to change the positions of the icons here on the top bar, so we should just hold it and drag it to the section where we want to just change it. And after that, just click here to done, and we can see here all the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.